Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this channel, you will get the videos related to Tspsc exams like Telangana history, Telangana geography, Telangana current affairs. Thank you for subscribing the channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe Study with you Mahi for more videos related to Telangana history, geography, current affairs. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Ikshvaku Dynasty introduction part. As we all know that according to Maikaduni inscription of Satavahanas, the commander of Pulamavi III, the commander of Pulamavi III, Sri Shantamula, have defeated him. After this, Pulamavi III fled away to Bellary. We all know this story from Shatavahana dynasty. I have already made videos on Shatavahana dynasty. If you haven't watched, please go and watch. You get a very clear idea of Shatavahanas. I have clearly explained in the separate videos coins of Satavahana dynasty, inscriptions of Satavahana dynasty, political administration of Satavahana dynasty, social conditions of Satavahana dynasty, etc. I'll give the link of Telangana histories in the description box. If you haven't watched, please do check out once. And coming to the Ikshvaku Dynasty, founder of the dynasty was Sri Shantamula, and we get this through Maikaduni inscription. Maikaduni inscription. Next, the capital of Ikshvaku was Vijayapuri. Next, the official language of Ikshvakus is Prakrit, and the symbol of Ikshvaku dynasty is lion, and they followed the religion Vedic religion. Ikshvakus have followed Vedic religion, and the greatest ruler in the Ikshvaku dynasty was Veerapurusha, and the last ruler in the Ikshvaku dynasty was Rudrapurusha. Manchikallu and Maidavolu inscription tell about the fall of Ikshvaku dynasty. I will explain the inscriptions of Ikshvaku dynasty in the next coming videos very clearly. Coming to the capital of Ikshvaku dynasty, it is Vijayapuri. Other names for the Vijayapuri are, according to Puranas, is Sri Parvatam. By this, Ikshvakus are known as Sri Parvateyas. Because of Sri Parvatam, Ikshvakus were known as Sri Parvateyas. Mountain ranges from Nagarjunakonda and to Srisalem are known as Sri Parvatalu. Parvatalu means mountains. And the Ikshvakus worshipped Ikshu. According to Sanskrit language, Ikshu is known as sugarcane. Ikshvakus have worshipped Ikshu, which means sugarcane, according to Sanskrit language. And coming to the Puranas, what the Puranas tell about the Ikshvakus? According to Vayu Puranam, Ikshvakus are the descendants of Manuvu. Ikshvakus are the descendants of Manuvu. And according to Matsya Puranam, Ikshvakus have ruled both Telangana and coastal Andhra regions for about 100 years. Telangana and coastal Andhra regions were ruled by Ikshvakus for 100 years according to Matsya Puranam. And some miscellaneous points related to Ikshvakus are, the Ikshvakus were the first dynasty to build Hindu temples in South India. Ikshvakus were the first dynasty to build Hindu temples in South India. In the time of Ikshvakus, the memorials to the heroes who died in war are called Veeragallu. And Ikshvakus were the first to introduce this kind of tradition. Which means nothing. Ikshvakus have given the title to heroes who died in the war is Veeragallu. That's it for this video. I'll continue the remaining part of Ikshvaku dynasty in the next coming videos. By all of your suggestions, I have already made the River Godavari videos. If you haven't watched, please go and watch.